Think about the last time you told a story. The version you told your boss was probably a little different from the one you told your best friend, which was different again from how you'd explain it to a child. The core facts didn't change, but your choice of words, your tone, and your sentence structure did. This intuitive shift in language is called register. The best way to think of it is as a linguistic wardrobe. You wouldn't wear a tuxedo to a football match, and you wouldn't use slang in a formal legal document. These linguistic outfits range from the highly formal language of a graduation speech to the casual slang you use with friends, all the way to the intimate, private language shared with a partner, often full of inside jokes that no one else would understand. So why do we do it? The choice is almost always driven by two things: audience and purpose. Who are you talking to, and what are you trying to achieve? Using a formal register can establish authority and clarity, while a casual register builds connection and intimacy. Using the wrong one can backfire, making you seem cold or out of place. The act of moving between these registers is called code switching. It's one of the most sophisticated social skills we have. We do it to fit in, to signal we belong to a group, or to express a deep feeling that formal language just can't capture. It's not about being fake, it's about social intelligence. Mastering this isn't about correcting your speech. It's about becoming a linguistic multi-instrumentalist, someone who knows when to play the precise, structured violin of a formal essay and when to bring in the energetic drums of a casual conversation. The true power of language isn't in knowing the best words, but in choosing the perfect voice for the moment.